The new Archicad onboarding features are designed to provide a supportive experience for both new users and seasoned professionals. When you open Archicad for the first time, you will notice the new and improved home screen. Here you have access to all the resources you need, from your recent projects to learning materials. This initial screen was designed to be your central hub, and it can also be accessed from within an open project by clicking the house icon in the toolbar. Archicad tooltips provide clear and concise descriptions of each tool and feature, helping you understand how they work. Make sure both tooltips and learning content are set to show in the Help menu. Then just hover your cursor over the interface buttons to see and learn. Additionally, click the Show Me How button to follow a visual step-by-step guide. Many tooltips include these extra demo videos, making it easier to quickly learn and master Archicad. To deactivate the tooltips, you can go to the Help menu and choose to hide learning content to get back to the simplified tooltips, or hide the tooltips altogether. Also, from the Help menu, you can find our next functionality to assist your Archicad onboarding. Click New in Archicad to start a tour of the new features of your Archicad version.